core to door, nobody does more than Gallop. Fulfilling your order is full of excitement. The journey starts with a simple call or an online order. Our dedicated team is ready to assist you, ensuring a seamless experience no matter what you order or where you are. Here at Gallop, we take immense pride in our Gallop Foam at Home process, where every brush is made right here in our manufacturing facility. Having everything in one place ensures quality, speed, and efficiency that nobody else can match. And if you have custom orders, don't worry, it's just as easy. Our warehouse is a well-oiled fulfillment machine. Inventory is meticulously stored based on assigned locations, maximizing speed and efficiency for every order. The way it all comes together is an extension of the brushes themselves, performing at the highest levels. Once your order is placed, the magic of automation begins. Our advanced systems pick and pack your requested items, carefully preparing them for their journey to you. Each item is packed with precision, ensuring the utmost safety during shipping. This is precious cargo, so we handle with care. As your order embarks on its journey, we trust reliable partners to deliver your Gallop brushes to you. You'll always know where your order is. We provide tracking information so you can follow your package every step of the way.
A few days, a few miles later, your journey is complete. And just like that, your shiny new Gallop brushes are ready for action.
We're car wash people doing what we do best. Your car wash is the reason we do it.
Give Gallop a spin and you'll see why. There's only one.
There's only one.
There's only one.
There's only one Gallop.